Hello guys, or Sawadee Krap. Sawadee Krap, it's mean Thai, hello. And today have good day. Who watch my video, you know what I live in Thailand. I live in Phuket Island. And now today don't have sun too much, but have cloud, but this cloud not for rainy. And today me and my girlfriend Anne, Thai girlfriend, today Anne won't go to look room for rent because she won't change her room. And you go with me because I show you really room, what I mean really, it's room where live too much Thai people. I think foreign people not rent this room because this room very simple. And let's go, you will see too. Okay guys, we arrived and I show you this house, how he looking outside. It's just simple Thai house. And okay, go to check look room. Who owner? And room open already. But room not small, I see big size. And this place I think same for kitchen, right? Okay, go look. No. This not for kitchen, just for kitchen I think here. Chai? Or this, what this, kitchen or what?
Yes.
Here for kitchen. And this toilet?
Yeah.
Toilet and shower together, right? Yes, very simple, but this is, I tell you, Thai. And have, down have water too. But I know how cook here if don't have water, only here. I don't know. This same room too. Guys, maybe you now can look and maybe you think, oh, it's room not comfortable, but a lot Thai people rent this room and live, and it's not problem. For Thai people, it's normal, easy. And you can tell me how much, what have price if people want a room.
For per month, 2,600 baht.
Per month 2,600 baht. Chai?
Sorry.
Okay. And
What do you think?
I don't know. And how? Up to you. But this house have 2 floors, and we now looking room in 2nd floor. But I see Thai people live here already. And here near stay big house. Okay, we back. We look already. And then what you think about this room?
I think normal one.
Normal. But you won't check more? You won't look more room? And now we go next room or not?
And people tell me stay and turn right.
Ah, you mean this street if we drive,
Yes, yes.
maybe have room, but you don't know.
Yes.
Yeah,
I
and don't know don't have room. But people tell if you want to look more, you need drive this road and have house where have free room. Okay, let's go look.
Room.
Ah,
No. Must not give me.
and tell this room like because it's room near workshop, very near. If you live here, I think you drive 5 minutes for your work. Very near. Okay, we go look more. Oh, 4 and 2.
Right. I want
Oh,
to.
we can walk, but we drive.
I want to take picture number.
Ah, you just take picture.
Yes, and also.
You mean this is number 4
Yes, yes,
for rent?
yes.
Maybe you can talk. Maybe have free room. Okay, we go look. Maybe have free room. We can check. Maybe.
สวัสดีค่ะเพื่อน you take this because he เพื่อน you take this
มีหลายซอยเนี่ยข้างในมี
Okay, people tell what this don't have free room, full already. Okay, we go next.
แล้วถ้าเลี้ยวซ้ายจะมีเกือบทุกซอย
okay
Thank you very much. Kopun krab. Okay, let's go.
lông con
And we stop next house, but I see have too much motorbike. And what?
I think so
You think we need go to talk people? Yes, guys, it's just simple room, simple house where live Thai people. Have 2 floor too. Same we checked before. Oh, coconut. And have coconut. Oh, you can see, guys, coconut. And I think who live here, he can sometime put coconut and drink coconut milk.
I think you are comfortable
I think too.
because before I look at it
Yes, and tell maybe this room comfortable more. I think because maybe this house not old.
try and we look before oh,
Huh?
very old and
And you see have big motorbike.
not cool. And
Okay, maybe go up.
and not go because I just look
But
for
where people?
people one people
Maybe have. Why don't have number? Because people want rent but don't have number. Phone. How? Guys, we not look people. Don't have people for talk. Who can help? Maybe people who live here can give number phone owner for call and talk. Have don't have free room. But I don't know. We not see people. Where people? Where people? Where people? Miami don't have. Miami, if guys who watch my video, if who watch my video every time, you know what I try speak English and Thai, because English it's not my native too, and Miami Thai it's mean don't have Thai language. Miami don't have.
I see have picture for oh
You mean you look when drive you see picture for call?
sure. Maybe I have.
No, don't have. Oh, and here back this house have house too, but I think this live only one
I
people.
can go.
Maybe owner live here. I don't know. We just go check and talk. Because don't have people. And you can look far a little bit how look in this house. And I think for Thai people it's normal.
สวัสดีค่ะพอดีว่าจะมาดูห้องนะคะมีห้องว่างไหมพอดีจะมาดูห้องอ่ะ
ห้อง
ใช่
จะดูห้องใช่ไหม
ใช่ค่ะ
ห้องไม่ว่างนะ
ห้องไม่ว่างเลยค่าเช่าเดือนละเท่าไหร่
ค่าเช่าประมาณสัก4,000กับ3,500
สี่
ห้
พั
อง
น
ห้องแอร์3,500ห้องแอร์4,000 ห้องพัดลม 3,500
แต่ว่าห้องไม่ว่างนะคะ
ไม่ว่างครับ
conditioner 4,000 if ไม่มี conditioner
Okay, guys, you see what and talk with Thai man and he tell what don't have free room, full already. It's Phuket, guys. Phuket. If you know about Phuket, Phuket have too much people who come to Phuket from another province. Thai people. I mean Thai people. He come for have job, find job and work here because Phuket have a lot foreign people because it's very popular island, very beautiful for vacation, for relax, and here good money if people come to here and work, have good money. I mean more when people have job for another province. Yes, I right tell too much, but okay, not free, don't have. And what, you don't know where? Oh, back
back
today not check.
because I go to look for Facebook again and
Okay, guys, and today we finish check room because Anne don't have time already. She need go to work too. Hello, guys. Thank you for watching my video. And today is second day. We go to look room for my Thai girlfriend Anne. And now we today don't have plane. We look another room, but we drive and look have house, and we just go look and have free room. And today again I show you another build, another house and another room. We near already. And this have a lot room, and we now look room. Oh, have bed already. Oh, have two. Not big, I tell you people. I tell you guys before what this simple. This is room where Thai people live. Not big, I think for one person. And have toilet and shower, one room. Toilet and shower together. Oh, and I show what have view from room. Hill, oh, but beautiful view, chai. And what do you think about this room? Normal? Or you need, or you need time for thinking?
ใช่
Because yesterday and today we looked 2 rooms. And what she tell how much this room for per month?
2,500
2,500 for 1 month per month. Okay, it's very low price for Phuket because it's easy room. But I think foreign people cannot live here because maybe can, but I never listen and never see what foreign rent room same this room. I don't know. What do you think, guys? You can write comment. What do you think about this room? Yes, it's room very simple, but can live. But I see here and don't have for cook. But here don't have kitchen, cannot cook. Can, but if you maybe buy and stay here something, but not too much cook. Okay. Okay, we go outside. And here have view too. It's main floor and have big window and have view too. Beautiful. Have lake. Oh, I know who boss. He boss. He boss this house. Hello. Okay, we outside already, and I show you this place where we look house. He have big place and have 2 house, 1 house and 2 house, and every house have 4 floor. And what do you think? You want look more house room or not?
I think I don't know. I'm not sure. Is
You don't know? Maybe you want look another house or not?
no
House.
today ไม่มี time.
No, I mean not today. Just tell you.
Maybe near, but I don't know where.
Okay, okay, guys. I think I finished this video about about just simple house and simple room where Thai people live. It's I think I don't know you see before or not, but this is just simple. It's life not same tourist. It's life not for foreign people. It just I show you a little bit about life just Thai people. And here I think don't have foreign don't live foreign. It's just live only Thai people. And what you think about this? And you can write comment under my video. And okay, guys, you now know I show you 2 rooms. It's a room I think same, and you now can understand how looking room where live just simple normal Thai people. But this is you know where I live Phuket. I show you house and room in Phuket Island. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you who write comment for me. Thank you who like, who subscribe. I very thank